As a homeowner in Bartow, you know how important it is to keep your home looking beautiful and functioning well. One of the most essential elements of your home's exterior is its doors. Doors are not just entry points. They play a vital role in the security, energy efficiency, and overall curb appeal of your home. Over time, however, doors can show signs of wear and tear that indicate it might be time to replace them. In this guide, we'll explore some key signs that it's time to invest in a new door for your Bartow home. Visible damage or wear. The most obvious sign that it's time to replace your door is visible damage. Whether it's cracks, warping, deep scratches, or dents, these imperfections not only affect the aesthetics of your home but can also reduce your door's functionality. Cracked or damaged doors may no longer close properly, leaving your home vulnerable to drafts, pests, and even security risks. Wooden doors are particularly prone to warping due to humidity and temperature changes in Florida, and over time, they can start to lose their structural integrity. If the damage is extensive, repairs may not be enough, and replacing the door will offer a more durable, long-lasting solution. Difficulty opening or closing. If you notice that your door is sticking, dragging, or difficult to open or close, it's a clear indication that something is wrong. This issue could be caused by warping, settled foundation, or worn-out hardware. While some minor issues may be fixable with adjustments or lubrication, consistent difficulty opening and closing a door suggests that its alignment is off, and replacing it may be the most practical solution. A door that doesn't close properly also poses a security risk, as it may be easier for intruders to break into your home. Ensuring your door operates smoothly is essential for both convenience and safety. Increased energy bills. One of the most common issues homeowners in Bartow face is drafts. If you feel a draft near your door, it means that the door isn't providing a tight seal. This can lead to higher energy costs as your heating and cooling systems work harder to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. In Florida, the hot, humid weather can make it particularly difficult to keep the house cool, and an old or damaged door can make this worse. Replacing an old door with a more energy-efficient model can help reduce your energy consumption, lower your utility bills, and improve your home's overall comfort. Energy-efficient doors are often designed with advanced insulation and weatherproofing materials that provide a better seal and keep your home more temperature-controlled. Outdated style or aesthetic. Over time, the style of your home may evolve, and your door may no longer match the look of your exterior. If your door is outdated or no longer complements the rest of your home's design, it might be time for an upgrade. A new door can give your home a fresh, modern appearance and boost curb appeal, which can be particularly important if you're thinking of selling your home. Bartow is home to many diverse architectural styles, from traditional to modern, and the right door can enhance the overall aesthetic. Whether you're looking for a door with elegant glass panels, a sleek modern design, or a more classic wood finish, replacing your door can transform the look of your home. Security concerns. Your door is the first line of defense against intruders, and an old, worn-out door may compromise your home's security. Over time, the materials of your door may weaken, making it easier for someone to break in. If you notice that your door's hardware, locks, hinges, etc., is outdated or damaged, it's essential to replace the door to ensure that your home remains secure. Newer doors are often equipped with advanced security features, such as reinforced materials, more robust locks, and stronger frames, which can significantly increase the safety of your home. Excessive noise. If your door allows outside noise to enter your home, it may not be properly sealed or insulated. A noisy door can be especially bothersome in a quiet neighborhood like Bartow, where you might prefer peace and tranquility. Replacing your door with a newer model that has better soundproofing properties can help keep unwanted noise at bay and create a more serene living environment. Frequent repairs. If you find yourself repeatedly repairing your door, it could be a sign that it's no longer worth the effort. Constantly fixing minor issues may seem like a temporary solution, but it can add up over time and may still not restore the door to its original condition. In such cases, replacing the door altogether is a more cost-effective and long-term solution. Conclusion. As a Bartow homeowner, your door plays a significant role in both the functionality and appearance of your home. If you notice any of the signs mentioned above, such as visible damage, difficulty operating, drafts, or security concerns, it may be time to consider replacing your door. Investing in a new door not only enhances your home's curb appeal but also improves energy efficiency, security, and overall comfort. Whether you're looking to upgrade the style or address functional issues, a new door is an investment that pays off in the long run.